the sky.
Welcome aboard the Universal City Shuttle Service. For your safety, please keep your arms and legs and fun are all here at Universal City Walk. Now open. Brace yourself for the new epic adventure at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Please utilize all empty entrances. No one has to wait in any line right now. During Mario Kart the ride, Bowser's Challenge.
Are you gonna buy one?
Var mı? Yoksa hep böyle mi? Thank you.
Stay with them, okay?
Geliyorum.
Thank you. Thank you. All two of you, I think. All right. Well, I'm glad you all are here.
I don't know.
So recognizable from this film franchise, they had to switch it up so they could use it in future productions. They were out here for Ghost Whisperer with Jennifer Love Hewitt, and they added an extra front wall to the original clock tower building. Now the building has two fronts. Is that castle? Oh, okay. I think the shark is sabotaging us. Maybe we should get out of here before something even worse happens. Jesse, oh no, look out! Which are called visual effects. So we're going to show you some more special effects as we pull into a set called Old Mexico. We're going to show you how we might create elements, our water. Ready and action. Yes. This is how we make it rain in the movies. We're using a very complicated, very intricate system. It's called a sprinkler. Maybe you've heard of it. Oh, you have? Okay. Shoots the water up and out. That way it won't get wet. If your seat is blue, you may get wet. Check your fields. added a couple of new favorite cowboys to our roster back in 2018 when they were here filming for Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Quentin Tarantino's latest, with Brad Pitt and Leo DiCaprio, a couple of no-name actors you probably never heard of, but they're very talented guys. Folks, these are our oldest sets on the lot. We built planes, trains, any automobile, bicycles even, our picture cars. And cars can do a lot to help us tell the story of our movie or our TV show. They can tell us time period, like this Duesenberg from The Mummy over here to the right-hand side. They can tell us location. They can tell us about the character who drives or owns the car. And often they're responsible for driving forward a murderer. He's a bad guy, but it's not his fault he's so bad. He had a really terrible mother, just a horrible child. Wait, did he hear me say that? He does not like when you talk bad about his mom. I'm sorry, Norman, I didn't mean it. No, not the knife. Let's go. Your mother is lovely. We all think so, right, guys? Guys, right? We love his mom. Okay, good. See, Norman, there's no need to be upset. Steven Spielberg to make his own version of the story right here at Universal, released in 2005. It's War of the Worlds. This is the set where Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning hide out from an alien invasion. That, my friends, is a real 747, an airplane bought and destroyed for this very scene. It's an old plane. They bought it from an airline graveyard after it retired from the sky. And if you're curious how old this plane is, I don't know exactly for sure, but I can point out that none of the seats have a video screen, and all of the seats have an ashtray, so it's...
Distraction or diversion, the attention of the person that allows them to pass